So today it's a grey sky, it's raining, and I am at Jalan Jalan Japan, Masai. Miserable day. Let's go in and see what they've got. And there it is. It's cashiers. That's the wash bags over there. These are all the squishies, fluffies. Whole rack here of short kimonos. And all the bibs and bobs and things. So I just thought I'd let you see. It's a Friday, so the call to prayer. Some quite cute kimonos there. Some really pretties. This one, it's nice. Nice and bright. Some with the flat. This is a nice colour combination. It's got a bit of everything. One here with some rather cute flowers on it. Yeah, lots of nice ones. As I said, these are all the short length. They will have somewhere they will have a collection of the long ones. These are all the cute little shoes to go with them. And the lovely bags. I always have a hard time because I find them so attractive, the beautiful bags made out of the kimono sashes, the lovely Japanese fabrics. So pretty. And these are all like 5 ringgit, so that's £1, just under £1 for any one of these. And they really are gorgeous. And I know if you found these in America or Europe, they'd be a hell of a lot more than this. So yeah. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Right, I'm now going to go off and have a little hunt around. If I see anything interesting, I will share it with you. I usually start at the top and work my way around. And in the first row, it's like all the sort of silly things, but they always have a really fantastic collection of the sort of like the dolls, the Japanese dolls, and some of them really are quite exquisite, really quite lovely. If you're into that kind of thing, they have so many here, and lots of figurines and things. The wooden Japanese dolls, really cute. Bears, a lot of bears. I'm not sure why bears. Really good place to go shopping for Christmas decorations. Everything at sensible sort of prices. All kinds of bits and pieces rather than buying new. Well, they are new. They're all new with the tags still on them. And they're all around about 50p. And there's some really beautiful ones here. At RJJJ we were lucky enough to get some at less. Lots and lots of really lovely ones. You see the pomegranate again that I bought before. Lots of beautiful beadwork. I bought a few of these because I love them, and there's some spiders as well, and some beetles. This is where I found my beetles. Well, at the other store, but the same ones. Hearts, dangles, little tiny glass chandeliers. Really, really cool stuff. So there we go. Have a quick look through the jewellery. There isn't an awful lot here today, but just sometimes I find something that speaks to me and I think, oh yeah, but often I find very little, and the prices can be very sometimes they can be very high, sometimes they can be very reasonable. You just don't know. It's not consistent. 15 ringgit for a little tiny dirty old gold chain. It's too much, way too much really. Nice bit of Paris jet there for 6. That actually is that an older clasp on that? That is an older clasp. That feels like Paris jet. So you see, you can find little, see that's got a barrel clasp on it, so that's probably vintage, and that is very nice. See, you can find things. You can find things. Always worth having a look. So that matches the spikes on one I've got. How much are they asking for that one? 20. See, that's too much. So not a lot today, but we had to have a look because you never know. You never know what you can find. And in fact, we did find vintage Parisian jet for 6 ringgit, which is all right. So over here we've got hair bubbles, the purses. That's quite pretty. Frames. Always look at the frames. You never know when you're going to find something. And I have been collecting the little ceramic frames, the little pottery ones which seem to come from Japan. It'd be very much a Japanese thing. But I'm not seeing anything very special here today. You can find bigger frames as well. Let's give it a William Morris fabric stuck in a frame, or William Morris wallpaper stuck in a frame. 15 ringgit. I always love these stackable Japanese boxes. I just find them irresistible, but I have got quite a few now and I have to stop myself from adding any more. They're just aesthetically pleasing. I can't help it. They are. They speak to me and they say, take me home. I am pretty colours. I have a lovely pictures on the top. You want me? And I said, no, I don't want you. Leave me alone. It's so cute, look, little Japanese puppy on that. Lots and lots and lots of bags. I'm not really a bagaholic. If I was, there'd be plenty of things there that could speak to me. It's real leather. Actually, some of that 20 ringgit. These men's clothes, I think. Oh, some ladies stuff as well. This is all 15 ringgit. 10 ringgit here. Now, I have in the past found some really lovely scarves here. Scarves both sides, but I'm not short, I have to say, unless something really jumps out at me and goes, wow, look at me. I'm trying not to look, if you know what I mean. Nothing in the belts there leaping out at me. These are all the bows for your kimono. Right, here are the full length kimonos here. I'll move back a bit so you can see how many there are and differences of colours and things. Some really lovely selection of kimonos, some really lovely ones. As I said, you could literally come to this country, fill up a suitcase with kimonos, you'd sell them all in Europe, no problem, at really good prices. These are some really nice ones. Look at this is gorgeous. I like the colourways of that, that's really nice. Yeah. So, you need golf balls, golf clubs, no shortage of those. So, I've got a whole basket full. So I think it's time that we move on. We're planning to try and get to the branch of B&H that's this side of town as well. We've never been there, so it'll be a first for me. So I think that's where we're off to next. So it's a little bit later. We're now at B&H. Let's go and have a look. So everything upstairs is 2 ringgit, and then the more pricey pieces are obviously down here. I think our Pekan Nanas one is better than this one. So I'm going to go and have a hunt, see what I can find. So this is the upstairs area. So everything up here is 2 ringgit, which is 34 pence, 36 pence I think maybe. But we have to say, we've come to the conclusion, it's not as good as our one in Pekan Nanas. So I have a couple of things here, but that's it, just a couple. And it's not for the lack of looking, I've looked, but I just can't find, and they got none of the sort of skirts and things. And normally I find a lot of really good skirts in the BH in Pekan Nanas, and I'm just not finding them here. I think between us we found 3 things so far. It's not really worth, it's a long way out to this side of town. I'm going to go down and pay for these.
If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, bye for now.